Hi, I'm Heather and welcome back to Cooking with the Tachnas. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade buttermilk pancakes from scratch. It's really easy. It just takes a little extra time, but it's well worth it. First up is 1.5 cups of flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We are going to take a bowl with a sifter and sift all the dry ingredients together. So sifting makes the pancakes fluffier. Just one little extra step. If you don't have a sifter, no big deal. Just throw everything in a bowl and it'll be fine. And now we're gonna add our wet ingredients. 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 whole eggs, and 2 cups of buttermilk. Get a whisk and whisk it all together until it's nice and smooth. The thing about the buttermilk is you can add more or less depending on the consistency of the pancakes that you like. So less buttermilk, it's gonna be a thicker pancake. More buttermilk, it's gonna be a thinner pancake. In this case, looking at this, I want it to be thinner, so I'm gonna add another 1/2 cup that I had sitting on the side. You can also add blueberries or any other fruit that you want to this. One of my favorite things is blueberry pancakes, so you can definitely add a cup of blueberries at the end. If you do add blueberries, don't use your whisk. Pour the blueberries in and take a spoon and kind of fold it together gently or you'll smash the blueberries. Okay, this is what I want this to look like. I'm gonna turn on my griddle to about 350 degrees. You're gonna give it a moment to heat up and you can tell a griddle is ready when you flick water on it and it sizzles. So this will just take a minute or two and then we'll get started. Our skillet is preheated. I flicked some water on it, it sizzled, we're good. I also sprayed it down with some cooking spray so it doesn't burn. So we use a 1/4 cup. You can use whatever size you want. You can make pancakes as big or as small as you want. We like them about this size. And then once I get the griddle loaded up, I set the timer for about 3 minutes. Basically, you know, the pancake is done when it starts bubbling on top. So if it starts bubbling before 3 minutes is up, then obviously flip it. If it's not bubbling by the time 3 minutes is up, your griddle may not be hot enough, or you just need to wait a little bit longer. Just pay attention to it, because once these suckers start cooking, things happen very quickly. 3 minutes is up. I've been checking them as I go, and they look perfect. Now, once you flip them over, it does not take an additional 3 minutes for them to cook because they've already cooked quite a bit on the other side. So in this case, it's usually about a minute or so. Don't walk away from them. Just stand here, keep an eye on them, and when they're equally brown on the bottom, they're ready to go. What you don't want is dough in the middle of the pancake. That's gross, and you can't really fix that. See, that's not done yet. So I'm gonna leave it on that side for a moment. Okay, they're done. Scoop them off onto the plate here. It makes roughly 10 to 15 pancakes depending on how big you make them. You can freeze them. They stay in the refrigerator for a good long while. They're really good. So I hope you enjoy them. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell. Have a great day.